Hey, good morning, guys. It's Scott hanging out here at Jekyll Island in Georgia. Today we are shooting the sunrise. Here it's beautiful this morning. And then, then we're going to shoot some trees in the afternoon. So check it out. First shot of the day here is this tree that's back here. There's some beautiful ripples, colors coming up, sunrise is coming up behind me. And yeah, super flat this morning. And yeah, check it out, here it is. So there's a tree out here, water's totally around the tree. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to grab a shot of that. I'm using my telephoto on the Fuji. And the plan is here is a CPL filter to remove some reflections, and then hopefully an ND filter to slow the water down. That's kind of the plan. So that's what we're working on here. So I don't know how well you can make it out on the screen, but settings for this shot, ISO 100, f/22, 1 second shutter speed to slow the water down, and here we go. So this tree here that's in the water, actually I shot about 3 years ago. It's actually one of my favorite shots. I guess, wind and erosion has taken its toll and it fell over. And now it's laying down in the water. It's kind of sad because every time I came here, I always came to this tree to try to catch it on a different angle. Just didn't happen this year. Sometimes you go to locations to shoot and you actually think that you'll be able to go back, and that's actually not the case. There's been many times where I've said to myself like, oh, I'm going to try to get back to this area, see if I could shoot again, and I'll go back to find out what I wanted to shoot is gone, or it's been damaged, or something else has happened, access or something like that. So, try to live in the moment, try to get out there when you can, and, try to get the shots. So, lining up another shot here. It's actually going to be a panoramic shot. It's going to be 3 trees next to each other in the surf. I'm going to pop on the wide angle lens. I'm going to pop a filter on it, CPL, and a 10-stop ND. And let's see what happens. It's like an 8-stop ND filter. I just pulled it out of my bag. It's absolutely filthy. But yeah, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what happens. Here we go. Here comes the water. So, got another shot set up here, but I fell back into my old habit where I'm just, I'll walk up, I'll plop the tripod down, and then I'll take a shot from there, but I won't actually look around. And that's a really bad habit, and I fall into this a lot. And I guess it's just laziness. I'm not really sure what it is. So camera's off the tripod. I'm gonna walk around. We're gonna try to find a shot, something different than me just plopping down the tripod and taking a shot. And like, here you go. So like right there, there's a really good angle on the tree. It's kind of looking up. That's fine. Clouds behind it are kind of dynamic. Yeah, but I would have never have gotten that shot if I would have stayed where I was. It's important, and I fall into this trap all the time. When you use a tripod, to take the camera off the tripod, look around, try to do some composition, and then go back and set your shot up on the tripod. Trust me, you want to do this. Well, that's the last shot today from Jekyll Island in Georgia. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Do me a favor, like and follow, subscribe, all that jazz, and just get out there and shoot. Have a good time, and that's what photography is all about. So like I said, get out there and shoot, and we'll see you on the next one.